Welcome to the week ahead. We are back. This is the week ahead for Monday, October 18th. And we are going to have a busy week at Lowell High School, and we have many exciting events happening that I wanted to share with you. National Honor Society induction ceremony will be held on Tuesday, October 19th at 6:30 p.m. in the LHS Auditorium. All are welcome to attend. Did you know that students who earn National Honor Society must demonstrate high standards in the areas of scholarship, service, leadership, and character? This year we have 125 students being inducted with 25 seniors. Each month there is an action-oriented service project that NHS students complete, such as school supply collections, food drives, and fundraising. If students want to join NHS, you must have a minimum of a 3.60 or better and be involved in the school or community. And you must be willing to serve up to 20 hours of community service. If you are interested, there will be more information for current 10th and 11th graders this spring. The 2021 Distinguished Alumni Ceremony will be held on Thursday, October 21st at 1 p.m. in the Irish Auditorium. All National Honor Society Advisory Council representatives and JROTC cadets are asked to attend. Please see Mr. Thornton for more information. Open house for all parents and community members is Thursday, October 21st from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. We will be showcasing the best of LHS, including our curriculum highlights, co-curricular activities, including all of our clubs, athletic programs, and community partnerships. We hope to see you there. Please be sure to tell your parents, guardians, and family members to come and check it out. There'll be a Student Advisory Council meeting for all grade levels Friday in the Irish Auditorium during Advisory. You will not need to check in with your advisory teacher, and you should report straight to the auditorium at 7:55. Homecoming week is scheduled for the week of October 25th to the 29th. The schedule includes Monday, Wild West Day, Tuesday, dress as the first letter of your name, Wednesday, Pink Out, Breast Cancer Awareness, Thursday, Twin Day, and Friday, School Spirit. We'll be having Halloween movie night on Wednesday, October 27th at Cawley Stadium on the softball field at 7 p.m. The cost is $5. LHS students only. Tickets will be sold on Monday, October 25th during all 4 lunches. And now, let's check out the question of the week. Welcome to the week ahead questions of the week. D-House, representing the D-House. Noah, how many bases are on a baseball field?
I think 4.
That is correct. And we have the Red Sox in the American League Championship this week. All right. What is known as the Empire State?
In New York, I think.
That is correct. You have one more question to get right. If you get it right, you win the prize. How many degrees are in a circle?
360 degrees.
Bam. Noah, D-House, first winner of the year for the week ahead question of the week. We have representatives from the D-House. The D-House is very interested in winning some prizes and representing their houses with the week ahead question of the week. We have
Melina, Christina.
How many degrees are in a circle?
360.
You agree? That is correct. What state is known as the Empire State?
New York.
New York. All right, last question. How many bones are in the human body? If you get within 10, we'll count it as correct. How many bones in the human body?
210.
206. And I said if you got within 10, you'd get it. So you did get 3 questions right. So those points go to the D-House. Good job. All right, I'm here with Giovanni from the D-House. He's a senior representing the D-House. Giovanni, how many bases are on a baseball field?
4.
Correct. What state is known as the Empire State?
New York.
Correct. All right, last question. How high is a basketball hoop?
12 feet.
If it was 12 feet?
10, yeah, 10.
Correct. All right. So we're going to give points to the D-House because he got a majority of the questions right. Giovanni, thank you for joining us and participating. Have a great day. That does it for today's show. We want to thank you for watching. I'll see you next week with another installment of The Week Ahead. Have a great week, everybody.